Most AI tools today are impressive, but let's be honest, they mostly just talk. You ask something, they respond, and that's it. But what if an AI could actually do your work for you? Handle files, automate tasks, manage communication, and even control things in your real environment. So I tested something called TuyaClaw, and this feels like a completely different category of AI. Let me show you what I mean. In just a few minutes, I was able to create and edit documents, generate reports from raw data, draft emails automatically, and even control smart devices like lights and AC, all from one single dashboard. This isn't just a chatbot. It feels more like having a digital employee. So what exactly is TuyaClaw? It's an all-in-one AI agent platform built to connect powerful AI models with real-world tasks. Not just digital work on your computer, but also physical devices through smart integrations. So instead of switching between multiple tools, you get one system that can actually execute tasks for you. Now, the first thing I wanted to test was the setup, because usually with tools like this, you expect complicated installation, coding, APIs. But here, none of that. You just install it, log in, and you're inside the dashboard. No Docker, no Python, no API keys. Honestly, the whole process took me about 3 minutes. And that's a big deal because it removes the biggest barrier most AI platforms have. Once you're inside, you land on the web console. And this is where things start to feel powerful. You've got a clean, tech-style dashboard with access to something called the skill library. Think of it like ready-made abilities that the AI can execute instantly. Instead of figuring out prompts from scratch, you just pick what you want to do. First, I tested file-related tasks. I asked it to create and edit documents, Word files, PDFs, even presentations. Normally, this takes multiple tools and a lot of manual effort. Here, it handled everything in one place, fast and clean. Next, I tried working with data. I gave it some basic information and asked it to organize and generate a report. And within seconds, it structured everything into something readable and professional. This is the kind of task that usually takes time and focus, but here it was automated. Then I tested communication, drafting emails, organizing responses, even helping manage messaging workflows. If you deal with emails or clients regularly, this alone can save a lot of time every day. And here's the part that really stands out. TuyaClaw doesn't just stay inside your computer. It can connect to smart devices, lights, air conditioning, curtains. So you're not just automating digital work, you're interacting with your physical environment. That's something most AI tools don't even touch. Another big advantage, you're not limited to one AI model. You get access to multiple top-tier models, like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini, all in one place. So instead of managing multiple subscriptions, everything is centralized. And this is where the real value comes in. You're not just saving time on one task. You're streamlining your entire workflow. Less switching between tools, less repetitive work, and more focus on things that actually matter. Now, is it perfect? Not always. Like any AI tool, you'll still need to refine results sometimes. But the difference here is it actually does the work, not just suggests it. And that changes how you use AI completely. TuyaClaw starts at $9.99. And there's a 3-day free trial, so you can test it yourself. If you're looking for something beyond basic AI chat, something that actually helps you get things done, this is definitely worth trying. Check the link in the description. What would you most like to do with TuyaClaw? Let us know in the comments below.